Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing groups where your ideal clients already spend time. This saves months of guessing. Join 5 to 10 niche groups that show consistent activity and make sure your profile headline and summary clearly state the value you deliver. Once accepted, introduce yourself with a short, helpful post that solves one small problem. Don't pitch. This first action establishes credibility quickly, so you earn attention before you ever ask for a call. Now you scale engagement by delivering consistent value inside each group. Think quality over quantity. Post one educational thread per week and add 2 helpful comments or resources to others' posts, and use polls or short videos to provoke genuine conversation. Make sure to respond within 24 hours to maintain momentum. Once discussions begin, identify top contributors and send personalized connection requests. Finish by converting engaged members to direct conversations using value-first offers like a free audit, template, or a 15-minute call. Explain why it helps their specific pain. Make your outreach brief, reference the group interaction, and follow up gently 3 times over 2 weeks while logging replies in your CRM. If engagement stalls, troubleshoot. Change content format, partner with a moderator for a co-post, or repost at different times to reach a new audience. Small tweaks often restore momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.